Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Yeti Chilli using an easy method. First, brown 2 pounds of ground beef or turkey in a large pot over medium-high heat. Break up the meat as it cooks until it's no longer pink. Once fully browned, carefully drain any excess fat from the pot. This crucial step ensures your chili isn't greasy and sets a clean base for all the delicious flavors to come. Next, add 1 chopped onion and 3 cloves of minced garlic to the pot with the brown meat. Sauté these aromatics until the onion softens and becomes translucent, about 5 minutes. Then, stir in 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, and 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper for a little kick. Cook these spices for about 1 minute, allowing their fragrant oils to bloom. Now, it's time to add the liquids and beans. Pour in 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes and 1 15-ounce can of tomato sauce. Stir in 1 15-ounce can of kidney beans and 1 15-ounce can of pinto beans, both rinsed and drained. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for at least 30 minutes to allow the flavors to meld beautifully. Finally, taste your chili and adjust the seasonings as needed with salt and freshly ground black pepper. If you prefer a thicker chili, you can simmer it uncovered for a bit longer. Ladle your warm Yeti chili into bowls and top with your favorite garnishes, such as shredded cheddar cheese, a dollop of sour cream, or some fresh green onions. Enjoy this hearty and flavorful meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.